Hello. Now in this session I am going to walk through the next module, which is data quality dashboard. In last session we had gone through the overview of the all modules. Now I am going to walk through a specific module which talks about data quality summary. Once you click on the data quality summary module, you can see a pie chart of different categorization of the data. You can see there are three major categories based on data quality. One are merged records, which is already consolidated as per your MDM rule. There are 10% of the data which is still in the potential match and queued for the data steward to review. The third category talks about unique records, which is 20% of the data which is not at consolidated. There might be a multiple reason around it. The most possible reason is it is a unique record with the best data quality, or there is some data quality issue like completeness of the data. Because of that, it is not getting participated into the match and merge process. So now if you put a cursor on the pie chart, it will show you the percent of the data as well as count of the data. Now we will go to each category in detail. Potential match summary. Potential match summary talks about the data which is not automatically matched and merged or consolidated into the MDM because of either data quality issue or automated configured rule. Are not sure whether it has to be automatically match and merge. So these records queued for data steward to manually go and collect the evidences and take a required action on this data. In this pie chart you can see there are four source system: alpha, beta, gamma, theta, and what are the potential records for respective sources are queued for potential match processes. There is a search of golden data which is already match and merge, which is also queued for potential match process. Means it is one side of match records. One more exciting feature, if you see the bottom of this screen, you can find out a detailed report which you can download from the screen, which will give you a detailed report about the potential matches. I'm going to quickly walk through the next section, which is merge record data. This is this is very nice screen where you can see 71.43% of data is already consolidated, and as per our definition it is marked as golden data. And you can see the count as well, almost 50,000 record is it's now marked as the golden data. The other sections are the source wise how it has got merged. It is showing in the with a different color in a pie chart. Similar to the last screen, you can have a merge report, detailed merge report, which you can download from the screen. The next section is unique record summary, and these records are contributed by each source but still not matched and consolidated because of the data quality issue or completeness of the issue. Completeness is an issue for these sources or these records, and data steward need to look into these reports to rectify this. This dashboard actually give you a good picture which you need to take it up and need to review why it is happening, where Encyklo helps you for MDM projects. Again, you will have a detailed report which you can download from bottom of this screen. Also, you have a screen here. You can download also these reports, this data this dashboard into Excel, CSV or JSON, or either you can print as well. This screen talks about your total volume of the data and how and source wise it shows you the data quality. Let's first see the potential matches queued for each source system. So here you can go and find out what are the different sources and what are the data which are queued for potential matches. If you want to see the merged, you can also get it from here. What are the different sources are participated into the merge data? So you can click on the merge only and you can get the all data out of your total records. What are the contribution of these sources? Now I can click on the unique records and it will give you the idea of the records which are still unique, and it is either already a golden record, or it might have some data quality issue for which data stewards need to take some action. I'm going to walk through a most important and exciting feature of this portal, which is source wise exception details. Most of the MDM tool, including InfoMDM, doesn't have the module which showcase the exceptions dashboard, and to bridge that gap you can here see the source wise as well as the base object wise. You can say table wise, you can get details how much data has come for loading, how much are get loaded, and what falls into the exception and exclusion. So let's go one by one. The total exclusions data, which is not means excluded, even not means mean participate in the load process, are party 1000, address 10,000, and identifier uh, almost 10,000. If I want to see what are the exceptions we have got during the load process, you can see 2,000, 5,000 for address and identifier 20,000. And if I want to see only the load data, you can see 74K is loaded successfully. Similarly, you can select any of the sources and get the all details based on the tables. Here you can see the for theta source system, you can see the all the base objects name over here, and what are the successfully loaded data, what is the rejected, what is the rejection which fall into the exception category, and what is excluded, even though this exclusion might be a reason of pre-processing of the data at ETL level, as SIF layer, at query parameter level. So these can be seen at one screen. So far, the best part of this modules is you can customize your application based on your requirement, your definition of the golden data, what you want to look into. That you can plug in the Encyklo tool, which can easily customizable based on your requirement. I hope you like this video, and for further queries you can reach out me at info@encyklo.com. Thank you.